man. Ou pa kontande. Grimace. Sans chien. Imbécile. Pas crasé. Pas mal, non. Pas mal, non.
I can't.
Pas mal.
Well, I can't burp. I'm sorry. I can't burp in my own room. I can't burp in my own room. I can't burp. I would never die, and I'ma always burp. I'll never die. If y'all don't drink Coca-Cola, you better drink Pepsi. Look what you did in my room, Daddy.
On s'est passé, ma coupe dans la clave, puis là, je prends avec tout ça, crasse, tout ça, dans le canal. Puis tout le monde là, son petit qui est fou, imbécile.
So the man just hit me with the soda on top of my head. Look at my bed, y'all. Look at my bed. Look at my bed. Look at my pillow. Steven Joe, I would never die. Subscribe to the channel. YouTube.com. Yeah, man, take it, man.
I'm a weird nigga, psychopathic. My flow not like a religion you can't practice. I'm practically a rebel, I'm hotter than the fucking devil. And for you niggas around me, get off my fucking level. Let me kick back some knowledge. I contain more intelligence than those who went to college. Sipping on some 40 ounce, looking at the body count with a ski mask and rob niggas till they last amount.
What's up, it's your boy Steven Joe, aka Mr. Kaka.
It's your boy Lo, aka Mr. Lolo.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more funny videos. That's the only way I'm gonna make these videos.